Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular tutorial shows how to work the Blip-Free right-leaning double decrease. It's a double decrease because it decreases your stitch count from 3 pairs to 1. And this is how it's done. I'm going to start by inserting the tip of my right hand needle into the front of the first, third and fifth stitches on the left needle, missing out the second and fourth stitches entirely. Then I'm going to slide my left hand needle out of all of those stitches together, and the second and fourth stitches will pop free at the back of the work. There you can see them, and I'm going to slide my left needle back into those stitches before they have a chance to go anywhere. Now I'm going to insert the tip of my left needle, bring it around the front, and insert it into the front of just the first 3 stitches on the needle, missing out the yarn overs entirely. This is where we separate the stitches from their yarn overs so that we can send the yarn overs to the back of the stack and work them in a hidden decrease behind the stitches. So I slide the right needle out of those 6 strands and then back into the yarn overs without the stitches. You see how I've caught the 3 yarn overs on the back needle and the 3 stitches on their own on the front. Now I'm going to slip those 3 yarn overs purlwise this time from the right needle back to the left. Now, using my knit coloured yarn, I can knit all 6 of those strands together. It's like a knit 6 together. Sometimes you have to give a little bit of a wiggle to get through, just like that. But I'm going to knit all 6 of those strands together and complete the maneuver there. You can already see what that's done on the front. I'm just going to complete the yarn over maneuvers now, bringing my pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work and back to the front, going over the right needle and between the 2, then bring the knit coloured yarn to the front of the work, coming between the 2 needles. Now I can work the corresponding decrease on the back fabric. So I'm going to slip 1 stitch with its yarn over, knitwise from the left needle to the right. I'm going to do the same knitwise again with the next stitch with its yarn over and with the next stitch with its yarn over. Then on the back of the work, I'm going to insert the tip of my left needle into the back of just the 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, missing out the 3 yarn overs entirely. I slide the tip of my right needle out of all of those 6 strands and the yarn overs pop free at the front. Then I can slide my needle back into just the yarn overs, and that has separated the yarn overs from the stitches, just like we did with the front. Now I can slip the 3 yarn overs, purlwise this time, from the right needle back to the left, and then I purl all of these 6 strands together through the back leg with my pearl coloured yarn. That means taking the tip of my right needle all the way around the back behind all 6 strands and in, coming towards me like so. Then I can purl those 6 strands together like that. And there we have it, just finishing off by taking the knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. Inspecting what we've done there, we can see we've got these 3 lines of stitches beautifully coming together with no sign of any colour blips there, and this decrease leans to the right on the front. Turning it over, we have the corresponding decrease on the back with these blue stitches coming together, 1, 2 and 3, leaning over to the left hand side there. That's the Blip-Free right leaning double decrease in double knitted brioche. Zip!